Clouds beginning to move into the region. Good evening, everybody. It's all because of a developing storm system just to our west, and that's only going to continue as we go throughout the night and into the day tomorrow. More rain on the way. But we still had a little bit of blue sky, and that allowed us to warm up close to 70 degrees today here in Tallahassee, 69, 66 in Quincy, but the warm stuff was just off to our east. In our eastern sections of the viewing area, 74 degrees in Perry. Temperatures starting to come down now, but they'll come down even more over the next several hours. 65 degrees right now here in the capital city with a dew point of 50 degrees. We do have some moisture beginning to increase across the region. And around the entire Big Bend area, we got 60s across North Florida generally. 55 though at the coast, the exception. 57 in Quincy. Coolest spots up in South Georgia, where they could be dealing with a bit of ice in about 24 hours from now. I'll talk about that in just a second. The water vapor satellite imagery shows that we have moisture invading the deep south, indicated by these rich colors on the water vapor satellite imagery. But the dry air is retreating further to the south, and that's moving away, and in its place, we're going to get some rain. And that's going to move in a little bit tonight, but more so tomorrow. We got one line that's forming right now, but this is tomorrow's weather. The snow and ice is going to stay to our north, thankfully, and it's going to cause all sorts of trouble. Some of the worst weather they've seen as far as ice storm conditions in a decade or two across the Atlanta area tomorrow, but nothing like that around here. Here's a closer look at the tri-state area. A couple showers now sneaking into the region. Again, only going to be enhanced as we go into the day tomorrow. Here's the futurecast. It's all thanks to a stationary front that's just parked right over North Florida, and it's not moving for the next 24 hours or so, and instead we have low pressure systems that are riding up along that stationary front, and it's going to give us a little bit of energy, enough to produce some rain as we go into the day on Wednesday. The ice is going to be mainly north of Highway 84 in South Georgia tomorrow, up toward Tifton as well. Snow will be further to the north across the mountains, and some of that could be pretty significant. We'll get about half an inch to an inch of rain around here. You'll see that on our futurecast model as it goes forward. Most of the heaviest rain is going to be in the tri-state area tomorrow. Dothan, you could get an inch to an inch and a half. As we go into Tallahassee, though, you missed it, but it's going to be about a half an inch of rain. Tonight, 48 degrees, mostly cloudy, a few showers, and believe it or not, we're not going to move much tomorrow. 48 to maybe 50 degrees for the high temperature tomorrow, even 52 in St. Mark's, but it's going to be a chilly, rainy, damp day across the area. Then tomorrow night, we'll have to watch for maybe some icy conditions on the extreme northern fringe of our viewing area as temperatures dip just below freezing there, but we'll still be above freezing here in the capital city, so no worries in that regard in Tallahassee. Next 7 days show that we dry out by Thursday. The chill stays around through Friday or Saturday and back up into the 70s early next week.